Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horinga.supported. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for NTPC. NTPC stock. This is the NTPC is the ticker name too, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of NTPC, and this is the historical price chart of NTPC. Here each candle represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for the stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the path pattern of the stock, I can take this particular point as the origin. This point, yeah, this point as origin. See, March 2014 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction. Okay, continuously making new highs. Okay, if you draw a line connecting the peak points of all the new highs, you will get a line that is moving in the upward direction. See, this is new high 1, new high 2, 3, new high 4, new high 5, and right now the stock is extending. And right now it is undergoing a consolidation phase, but it is not going. The price is not going down, but it is still trying to move in the upward direction. Very good. The strength is good. The strength of the stock strength is good, and even direction strength is also good. Everything is there. I mean, there is a reason why it is moving in upward direction even during the consolidation phase. Okay, then the stock has come under the influence of positive super trend mode, and it is doing great, and it is right now. Yeah, it is already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average. That we can see it clearly here. Okay, and this November month candle, and in the November month itself, the stock has given some 4 rupees benefit to its investors, and in the last month this stock has given nearly 168, 180, nearly 12 rupees benefit to its investors. In 2017, we'll look at the performance of the stock in 2017. I think this is the one. Yeah, 164 and 185. If you take 185, nearly 20 rupees benefit to its investors. In this year, the stock has given 20 rupees per share benefit to its investors. It's a slow pace rising stock, which you can see clearly, but it is rising. It is rising in the upward direction. That's good. Okay, and the stock right now, if you look at the relative strength of the stock, it is right now brushing with the 80 line, which is good, and direction strength of the stock is rising, and stochastics is showing supporting the positive trend here. The fast line is on top of the slow line, and both lines are diverging, and both lines are above the midpoint, and they are moving towards the 80 line, which is good. Momentum is picking up, though it is not up to the benchmark level, but it is in the positive zone. Price volume change is okay, but it is rising. Okay, and balance of power and elder pay both are in sync with each other, and both are telling us that the stock is in a bullish zone, and Kopecker is lacking strength and it is going down, but right now it is in the buy zone, but it seems like it is going to make a parallel line with the baseline due to lack of strength. So maybe these factors which are lacking in strength are dragging down the stock, and is not allowing them, and are not allowing them to allowing the stock to move in the upward direction. Maybe that might be a reason. So one thing is there, across all the time frames the stock is bullish right now. That's a very good sign, and it will move. It may reach 190 in the next month, maybe. I mean, if my guess is right. So definitely the stock will increase. The price of the stock will increase. That is the expectation. And in the next few months, and then in the next year, 2018, if my guess is right, it may reach 200 by the end of the next year. That is the pace of the rise of the stock. Okay, because it is a slow pace rising stock. Within a span of just 14 days or 15 days, it is not going to cross 200. So the stock moves at a very slow pace. Okay, and that's what you are seeing. That is the reason why I showed you in 2007 what is its performance. Just 20 rupees per share profit has given to its investors, but it is better than many other stocks which are languishing in in a negative zone, and which are not given not in a single penny profit to its investors. Okay, so this stock is better than most of the other stocks as per me, and as per my analysis, this stock can be considered for long term investment. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.